start 80, 3 left, good luck. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 80, 3 left, cut, and slight right, don't cut. 50, turn square left at house, and open hairpin right. 40, 5 left, opens. 50, 6 right, don't cut, slowing. 50, 1 left, opens long. 70, 6 right, long. 70, slowing. 6 left, don't cut. 30, hairpin right. 60, 6 left, half long. 50, 5 right, don't cut. 50, hairpin left, and slight right. 70, 6 left. 60, 6 right, keep in. 50, 6 left. 70, slight left. 50, 6 right to the crest, half long. 180, slowing. 6 left and 3 right, very long. 90, 5 left, half long. 140, 6 right, half long, opens. 80, slight right, very long, tightens, slowing. 30, hairpin left. 100, 6 left, slowing. 80, hairpin right. 60, slight right. 110, 4 left, tightens of the crest, and 4 left. 70, 6 right to the crest. 60, left of the crest, and 6 right, into 6 left of the crest, and 5 left. 90, short. 4 left, 3 right. 330, late 6 right, tightens, and bridge, slowing into 5 right, half long, and hairpin left. Opens. 40, late, open hairpin right, and slight left. 60, 1 left, tightens. 100, slight left of the crest. 80, 4 left, slowing. 30, acute hairpin right, and slight left into slight right. 50, 6 right, half long. 70, 2 left, tightens. 40, right of the crest. 50, 6 left. 40, slight right, into crest. 140, late. 1 left. 120, 5 left of the crest, caution. 30, 3 right short. 250, slowing. Slight left. 40, late. 2 right, and 6 right, and late. 5 left. 60, 3 left, keep in into 6 right. 130, open hairpin right, opens, and 3 left, very long. 90, right of the crest. 150, slight right. 120, slowing. 6 left. 30, 4 right, keep in. 160, slowing, 5 right and 2 left, long. 40, 2 right sharp. To 1 left, half long, 50. Square right. And 5 left short, 50. Over finish, 4 right to stop. Okay, that's a 5 minute, 12.5.